All right. What's good? What's good? You already know tax season's still here. Tax season's still here. About to give up some more of that. I'm gonna talk right now. Tune in. We live. You on with Deon. Man, listen, that's tax season wind down. Tax season's still here, but I'm about to give up more info, more knowledge on these finances, this money. Tune in. Share the live. It costs you nothing. I'm answering all questions right now, too. Anybody got tax questions, financial questions, entrepreneur questions, business questions, banking questions, credit questions, mortgage questions, LLC questions? Tune in. Tune into the live. It costs you nothing. You're on with Deon. You already know Quay Marsh. J Bay was good. Fats Mover was good. Share the live. You already know. Share the live. Y'all cost you nothing. I'm about to go in. Let me get this water break right here. About to go in. Let's go. Share the live. It's Friday. It's kind of nice outside. You know, whoever cooking out right now. Walking in the mall, riding to the mall, from the mall. You know. Tune in. All my young soldiers out there, salute. You know, y'all always get that. So tune in, y'all. Y'all see the caption. Anybody that still didn't get their refund, I'm about to tell you what's going on. The caption also say the IRS is still giving out free money. Y'all better tune in. Sabrina Blakeney was good. Share the live, Bree. Everybody share the live. It costs you nothing. All right. Appreciate the likes. Appreciate the love. Read the caption also while I'm on this live on this early Friday. Anybody got any questions about taxes, about your taxes, about refunds, about business, about entrepreneurship, about investing, about, building your business, about LLCs, about partnership, about self-employment, about finances and wealth building. Ask your question while you're on this live. I got a lot of knowledge to share, so ask your question. You understand? And it costs you nothing. I give you this knowledge, it costs you nothing. Just share the live. Because I'm about to go on this info. Who that Unique Pretty? What's good? You already know you on with Deon. Read the caption. I'm about to go in, y'all. And like I said before, any questions, ask your questions. So we're going to start off, share the live too. We're going to start off with the first thing. What I said in the caption, I said, anybody that did not get their refund right now, you filed your taxes, it's been longer than 21 days, and you did not get your refund. And anybody that's on here that got their refund, I got something for you too. I was going to put in the caption, invest your tax money in yourself. You understand? I got a serious financial platform for all of y'all that got y'all refund already. Invest your refund in yourself. Okay? By the summertime, you'll be at like 50, 75K. That's $50,000, $75,000. 90 days. 120 days. You understand? Invest your tax money in yourself. We just don't have the knowledge financially, so we get the tax money. And we use it for necessary things, but nonetheless, we may spend some money without understanding that money is not coming back. So we got to learn how to turn that money. You understand? So anybody that got their refund already, listen, I'm about to give you some knowledge on how to turn that refund. So here's the info. Anybody that filed their taxes already and your refund is still processing longer than 21 days, and you go to where's my refund and it says that your refund is still processing or it says that the information is incorrect. This is what this means when you see that. When your bars go away and you don't see your refund, then a few things are going on. One of the things that may be going on is that credits that you claim, they're checking those credits. So they're going to process your refund for longer than 21 days. Okay? So how do it go? You file your refund, you got bars up there, you got a bar. Then your bar disappear. And the person like, wow, hold up, man, my bar disappeared. What's going on? This, that, and the other. Your bar disappeared because of a couple things. And it's processing longer than 21 days because of a couple things. One of those things why it's processing for longer than 21 days is because you are claiming credits when you file your taxes. Keep this in mind. When you're coming to file your taxes, you are claiming credits. You are not necessarily claiming a tax refund. The tax refund is tied up in credits. Okay? What are the credits? Credits is earned income credit, child tax credit, refundable rebate credit, which is stimulus, education credit, which is college courses, child dependent care credit, which is a child care credit, a babysitting credit. All these credits are money. So when you come to file your taxes and you are filing and claiming these credits, when your tax return goes to the IRS, they're checking these credits to make sure you qualify for these credits so they may process your refund longer. You understand? So when you see your bars going and you don't see, or you see a notice that says your refund is still processing or something like that, that only means that they are checking on these credits and they're just processing it longer. The next thing, what it could mean, if you see something that says your refund is still processing, that can be a letter that you're going to get, which is an identity verification letter. Okay? Some people that just filed taxes for the first time, you haven't filed in years, you filing a new dependent, or whatever the case may be, then you may receive what is called an identity verification letter. And when you go to check where's my refund, you don't see no bars because you may be getting a letter. Look for that letter. You understand? Some people don't get the letter. So whoever filed your taxes, call your tax preparer or whoever filed your taxes to let them know, like, listen, my refund has been longer than 21 days. They supposed to be able to help you. You understand? They supposed to be able to get you through to the IRS and all that. We'll talk about that in a second. But with that said, that also may mean when you see that on the where's my refund with no bars, that you are getting a letter. That's an identity verification letter. That letter is to verify your identity. That's it. They want to make sure that you are the one that's getting the refund. You understand? That's all you got to do. I was on the phone with the IRS. Hold on. Go ahead, bro. I'm on it now. All right, yeah, 10 minutes. 10 minutes. All right. So I was on the phone with the IRS the other day, me and the IRS agent, and he was like, wow. He said some people, who that, Octavia Kelly, was good. He said, look, this is the IRS agent to me. Because matter of fact, this IRS agent to me. So he was like, some people be hanging the phone up. You understand? Going through the identity verification. Hanging the phone up. You understand? I'm going to go into that too to let y'all know when y'all filing taxes, y'all taxpayers, y'all not tax clients no more. You understand? I shared that knowledge before. But anyway, you may get an identity verification letter if your refund is still processing. All that means is you have to verify your identity. Okay? The next thing is if your bars are gone and you still ain't getting no refund date and you go to check your where's my refund and it says that the information you entered is incorrect, it doesn't mean that the information is incorrect. What it means is they changed the amount of your refund. Meaning what? Because you claiming credits when you claiming your refund. So you claiming child tax credit, or I didn't get my child tax credit payments. I didn't get my stimulus money. I did get my stimulus money. All those things that you're claiming, the IRS is doing adjustments. So they're like, okay, well, nah, you claiming too much money, so we're going to reduce that. Or you didn't claim enough money. We're going to give you some more money. I got clients where the IRS gave them like another $1,000 to $5,000 added to their refund. You understand? And when that happens is your original refund that goes in, it changes lower or higher. So now when you go to check, where's my refund? You don't get any information and it says incorrect information. It's not that your information is incorrect. What it is they lowered or they raised your refund. You understand? So that's what you may see as well when you go to where's my refund and you don't see bars. Go back and watch this, anybody that missed it. I haven't got my refund yet, still processing with no bars. There you go, Jay Bay. What's good? So listen, Jay, I just explained what that's about. That's why I'm on this live right now, to get any questions you got, and also to let you know if you don't have bars and it's still processing, of why. Go back and watch this live because I said a few things before, in regards to what we're talking about. So when you don't see bars and it is processing, it can mean a couple things. Okay? Go back and check this out. I spoke about it. The other thing it can mean is that it can go to the errors department. Not that it's an error on your tax return, because I can call in for you and do a power of attorney and they like, yeah, well, the refund went to the errors department. It's not that there's an error on your return. What it is that what you're claiming, the system doesn't recognize it as a normal tax filing. So it goes in the errors department to get corrected for any errors or whatever the case may be. Then they'll fund the refund. For instance, anybody that did not work in 2021, you lacked income in 2021, then you're able to use your 2019 income to get a tax refund. I said that before early in the season. So because you're able to use your 2019 income because of the pandemic, when you use that 2019 income, your tax return goes in, then it can go to the errors department because the system is not used to you claiming 2019 income in 2021. You understand? And that's pretty big too. Those of us that can claim the 2019 income in 2021, that's pretty tough. You understand? But because of the pandemic, you are able to use your 2019 income if you had no income in 2021, or if you lacked income in 2021, you could use your 2019 income. But if you use your 2019 income, then it can process and go to the errors department. That's why you may see it still processing on where's my refund. Okay? So that's the rundown of the where's my refund when your bars disappear. Anybody missed that? Go back and check it out, because I was talking about why your refund may process more than 21 days. Okay? Let's go to the next thing, because I want to speak about fees. Man, check this out. I want to speak about fees because somebody asked me how much I charge for taxes. I said, wow, cheap. Why do I say cheap? Because when you come to me, I am not a tax preparer. Okay, let's get that clear. Anybody that come file with me, I'm not a tax preparer. I'm a tax practitioner. Okay, it's a difference. Tax preparer, they file your taxes. You go in their office or their home. They get on the computer. Their hands move on the keys. They look at your papers. They tell you how much your refund is, and they send you out the door. That's a tax preparer. I'm a tax practitioner. I sit you down. I inform you of what you can file. I give you knowledge. I sit you in front of my screen. Hold on, let me bring my light up. I sit you in front of my screen. I show you your tax filing process. I take you to a tax summary and I summarize your taxes about your income, your total income, your adjusted gross income, your standard deduction, your taxable income, your tax liability, your refundable credit, your non-refundable credit, your credits and deductions. You understand? Not only that, then after I file your taxes, complete your taxes, and get you a tax refund, I also become a power of attorney or a third-party designee for you. So when you're not getting your refund on time, you can call me and I can get you on the phone directly with the IRS on a practitioner's line, all the way till you get your refund. And then I'm on the phone speaking on your behalf, and you can sit back and I talk to the IRS. I have them research your account. I have them tell you when your date is going to be. I have them tell you what department your refund is in. You understand? That's what I charge for when you filing taxes with me. And it's very reasonable. Matter of fact, extremely reasonable. So I just wanted to speak about that in regards to the fees. Somebody asked me what my fees are. So I just wanted to speak about that. The other thing, okay? I said, if you want more money, man, appreciate that. Who that? Nay Hicks that sent that like? Absolutely, Nay. I appreciate it. I think that was you. You understand? So the next thing is, how can you get more tax money after tax season? Wow. Get more money after tax season? Absolutely. You can go back and do amendments. Anybody that got their tax refund already and you still looking to get more of a refund, you can. You can go back and do an amendment, meaning what? You can amend income and it will raise your earned income credit and the IRS will owe you a refund. You can go back and, of course, amend a dependent and the IRS will give you more of a refund. What's up, sis? Miss Smith, what's good? Niasia, Unique, what's good? Hey, sis, what I was talking about just now, I gave up some real serious info. Go back and watch it live when you get a chance. But what I was talking about was when tax season is over, you still can get more of a refund. You still can get another refund when tax season is over. How? If you have more income to claim, then you claim your income that you can claim and it can raise your earned income credit and now the IRS owe you a refund. Or you can add a dependent and the IRS owes you a refund. And what is a dependent? A dependent is not only a child. A dependent is somebody 17 and under, 18 to 24 in school, or over 24 years old, collecting disability or disabled in their sibling. They can be carried as a dependent. You can add them on as a dependent, do an amendment, and you can get another tax refund. You understand? Yeah, I see you, sis. Man, my son on. What's good? Amir the boss. What's good, son? You know I'm on here spilling that knowledge. And whoever missed it, go back, check it out. But right now, we on getting a refund after tax season. Man, how about that? Like I said, I'm not a tax preparer. I'm a tax practitioner. Two different things, two different knowledges, two different areas. You understand? Two different services. So keep that in mind. So with that said, after tax season, you can do amendments. You can do an amendment and get a tax refund. So we're going to go to the next thing, okay? The next thing is stimulus money, 2022. This is it. We're in year 2022. Whoever did not get your first and second stimulus, $1,200 and $600. Whoever didn't get your third stimulus, $1,400. This is the last year to claim your stimulus money in the tax office. I can get your first stimulus, $1,200. I can get your second stimulus, $600. I can get your third stimulus, $1,400, right here in the tax office. Tax Pro, we got you. Whoever didn't get it, this is the last year to get your stimulus money, free money. You understand? Look at the caption. I said the IRS is still giving out free money. That's free money. Who doesn't want free money? You understand? And then you can get it through the tax office. So whoever did not get your first stimulus of $1,200, your second stimulus of $600, your third stimulus of $1,400, you can get it in the tax office. This is the last year. So listen up, people. If you did not get it, claim it. You understand? Free money. Now, the next thing, let's talk about these self-employed people. Wow. Man, you know how many incentives they got for self-employed people where y'all can get a tax refund? Man, son, you out there self-employed. You understand? So let me run down what they got for the self-employed people during the tax year. And what is self-employment? Self-employment, simply put, is you are making your own money. You understand? But self-employment has many, many occupations. I mean, many occupations when you filing taxes. What are some of those occupations? If you braid hair, you do nails, you do eyebrows, you cut grass, you do CNA work, you're a barber, you write songs. Man, what? You write songs? Yeah, you write songs. You get paid for it. You can get a tax refund. Man, you rap, you sing, you dance. You sell furniture. Whoa, that's tough. You sell furniture. You can file those taxes self-employed. I'm going to give you more information on that. If you are selling candy apples, if you cleaning and icing out shoes, if you got a candy house, if you sell plates, if you sell food, if you sell clothes, you sell jewelry, you got a Shopify store, you got an e-store. You understand? All those things. You vend, you do pop-up vending. It doesn't matter. You understand? Whatever you do, you're an author, you're a photographer, you write books, you sell ebooks. It doesn't matter. Okay? Anything coming through your Cash App, anything coming through those acro payments of those Cash Apps and what do you call that stuff? Chime and all that kind of stuff. Those things keep acro accounts of your deposits that's coming to your account. That's documentation, by the way, to claim a tax refund. So anybody that's out there that's self-employed, all those occupations, claim that self-employment, report that self-employed income. You understand? There's criteria and qualifications. I give you those qualifications, but that's self-employment. Now, what comes with self-employment? They have incentives. One of the incentives is a tax break called an above the line deduction or an adjustment to your income. So when you file your taxes, your income is on a scale called income. It's not called income, but it's on a scale for income. Then it comes to a total income once you add all your income up. Once you get your total income, when you're self-employed, they give you what is called an above the line deduction that reduces your total income that leads to an adjusted gross income. Once you have your adjusted gross income, you go on over to your standard deduction and you start to subtract your standard deduction from your adjusted gross income. Now you got another incentive, self-employed. What is that? Expenses. Now you write off your expenses and you reduce your tax liability to get more of a refund by reducing your tax liability. You understand? That's how that works. Now, you have to have a dependent. Hey, you got to have somebody that you taking care of and that you helping in order to get a refund self-employed. But I told you what a dependent is. A dependent is not only a child. A lot of people, when they think of a dependent, they think of a child, not only a child. I said it before, 17 and under, 18 to 24 in school, or any age disabled, collecting disability if they're a sibling or relative. They can be claimed as a dependent. You can get earned income credit. You may get child tax credit. You get other credits, dependent credits to qualify for earned income credit. There's your refund self-employed. Now they got out a 7202, which is the family sick and leave credit for those that self-employed in case you caught COVID-19. Or you had a child that caught COVID-19 or a dependent that caught COVID-19 and you had to help them and it interfered with your self-employed income. Now I drop you over to a 7202. You get up to 50 days sick, or with COVID-19, you get up to $1,800, $2,000, $1,500, $1,200 added to your self-employed tax return. You understand? Oh man, listen, I should be getting likes and love and you know what I mean? Come on. Where the likes and love at? Share this live. Y'all cost you nothing. That's for my self-employed people. So anybody that's self-employed, you understand? You self-employed, you 1099, you DoorDash, you Uber Eats, you Instacart, and all those other things. That's 1099 NEC, 1099K. Okay, you got a side hustle. What? Man, you got a side hustle, man. Claim that income. You heard? You got a side hustle, claim that income, report that income and get a tax refund. That's for all my self-employed people. Now, let's go. Taxpayer. Now, look, what did I say about being a taxpayer? And this is the last thing I'm going to say before I sign off, and I said it before. All of y'all that's filing taxes, you are no longer a tax client when your refund or your taxes go to the IRS. You are no longer a tax client. You are now a taxpayer. I really want y'all to understand that. Because a lot of people, because we don't have a knowledge of taxes and we're not thoroughly informed about taxes, we don't have thorough knowledge about taxes, we don't have in-depth knowledge about taxes, then we get kind of afraid of the IRS. The IRS actually can be very helpful when you have knowledge. They can be very helpful and they can provide a service for you. You understand? That's when you come to somebody that can educate you with knowledge. That's what we lack. You understand? What the scripture of the Bible say? My people are destroyed for the lack of knowledge. Wow. It's all knowledge. You understand? So now the knowledge that I'm sharing is when you come to file your taxes, you are no longer a tax client. When your return goes to the IRS, you are a taxpayer and you have rights with the IRS. One of those rights is that you get your refund within 21 days. And if you don't get your refund in 21 days, your refund money goes to an interest-bearing account where it starts to accumulate interest that the IRS have to pay you for holding your refund for longer than 21 days. You understand? And being a taxpayer having rights, the IRS will give you money if they owe you money or have to give you money based on credits that you are owed. Meaning what? Some of you file taxes and you still are owed the child tax credit, the advanced child tax credit payments, stimulus payments, which is refundable rebate credit. And all these credits, you may be owed money from the IRS and they'll give you more of a refund. You understand? When you come through a tax practitioner. Very serious. You go to somebody that has knowledge. That's how that works. The other thing, I said power of attorney. Because now anybody that need to reach the IRS, anybody that have back tax issues, back tax refunds you need to get, back tax problems, back tax things that have been tied up through filing with other people, then come to the tax office, Tax Pro, come through Tax Pro, then I can help you resolve all tax issues, no matter what issue you have, okay? I can help you get your refund from 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, and 2021. Some of y'all got refunds that y'all got out there that y'all can get from years ago. I can get your refund from years ago. I can get your taxes cleared up and help get them cleared up from years ago. I can help amend your taxes that somebody messed up from years ago. I can get your taxes cleared this year, even though you didn't file with me. You filed with somebody else. I can get your taxes cleared of who you filed with. Oh man, what? And can I get some likes, love? Or I'm just getting listeners. Hey, whatever it is, share this live, yo. It costs you nothing. Okay? Anybody got any back tax issues, don't matter what it is, I can help clear it up. Any back tax money you need to get, I can help you get it. You understand? So y'all heard it first, y'all. Tax Pro, Deon. Share the live, share the love, share the likes. And just know, when I come on with straight knowledge, facts, financial empowerment, and clarity. You understand? I'm very transparent. Play no games. You understand? I say check all that at the door. I stay in humility because I got a story and I don't want to unpack the story. You understand? The story is packed up and packed away. Here I am today. You understand? So let's grow. All right? Leave the hate at the door. You know what I'm saying? Not this way. All the haters, respect my carpet. You understand? Other than that, Deon, y'all, Tax Pro.